Hey everybody, so got a quick video today. This is about the M12 Milwaukee PVC shears, or plastic pipe shear, however you want to pronounce it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick video. I had already taken this out the box and everything. This is 2470-20. Buddy of mine, Adam Baum, sent me these items right here. I already unboxed it, and came in this UPS box wrapped in a QVC bag. Full video will be out later. This is just going to be a quick introduction video, just a quick, take a look at it. Wanted to get this video out quick so you guys can check it out and see what's coming to the channel soon. So Adam sent me the PVC shears. I was looking for these a couple days ago. I spoke to my buddy Jason Reynolds. He told me he didn't have any. He's like, hey, go talk to Adam. He sent Adam a message. I went to go message Adam, and Adam had already sent me a message. He's like, yeah, I got it. This is the price. I'm like, cool. Asked him how he wanted me to pay. He told me Cash App. And then he threw in a bonus. He threw in this 1/4 inch SDS Plus rotary hammer 1/4 inch bit, which is 8.5 inches, because Adam saw that I went and purchased a rotary hammer, an SDS Plus rotary hammer from Milwaukee. And then he also sent me this 1/2 inch, which is 6 inch long as well. But these are a couple items coming to the channel. Everything's already unboxed. I put one of my batteries in it. You get the instruction booklet, M12 M18 packet, quick demo. So you can quickly open this tool with the top button, like that. And then forward, you'll actually see the indicator. Right there. It's an up arrow, so if you switch to the left of you, it will be in forward. And then you push the switch down, and it's an ambidextrous switch. So right hand, you push it in this way. Left hand, you would push it in this way. Push the switch in, pull the trigger, and you can change the speed. It's a variable speed. If you flip this switch towards your right hand, if it's in your right hand, that way, you can actually open it with the trigger as well. And it will tell you with the noise that it's gone too far. Switch it back, or it can't go any further. And then pull the trigger, go forward again. Will tell you in forward that you can't go any further. And if you just push the top trigger, it will automatically open. Okay. No, the switch isn't working now. There it goes. Went too far. So you just push this top button, it'll automatically flop the blade opens for quick usage. like that. It goes pretty quick. Push the button again, pops open. You can also go really slow. But this is just a quick introduction video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. It does have a blade wrench right here on the back. So this video will come out before the unboxing video and everything. I do appreciate your guys' time. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Ulsa Tools link below for 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. Also kicks me back 10% on my next order, so it saves me money to bring tools to the channel for you guys. This tool does have rubber overmolding on specific spots where you can lay it down on the front and the back. All affiliate links are commission links, so if you use them, I do get commission for it. Doesn't cost you anything extra. Look forward to this tool in the future on future videos. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!